TS Fong. The TS Fong i5S 3-channel GPS dashcam is a robust dash camera system designed for comprehensive car video coverage. With a 2K front camera and two 1080p cameras covering the cabin and rear, it provides 360 degrees protection, ideal for both recording incidents and monitoring driving conditions. High-resolution recording. This dashcam supports multiple resolutions. When using the front camera alone, it records in 4K, with the cabin camera added, it records in 2K and 1080 pixels, and with all three cameras, it offers 2K and two 1080 pixels feeds. This versatility allows for high-quality capture in various configurations, ideal for both personal use and rideshare drivers who want cabin monitoring. Enhanced night vision. Equipped with 4 infrared LEDs, the i5S delivers impressive night vision capabilities, particularly in low-light environments. The interior camera is designed to capture clear footage within the cabin even in total darkness, while the front and rear cameras benefit from wide dynamic range and HDR, balancing bright and dark areas to improve visibility at night. GPS and speed logging. Integrated GPS allows the dashcam to record precise location and speed data, which can be crucial in legal situations or when reviewing driving routes. The camera logs this data automatically, allowing playback that includes both video footage and travel information. Parking monitoring and G-sensor. The i5S also supports 24-hour parking monitoring through a hardwire kit, protecting your vehicle when parked. The built-in G-sensor detects sudden movements or impacts, triggering the camera to record and lock footage, which prevents it from being overwritten. Anti-glare CPL filter. A circular polarizing lens filter reduces reflections and glare on the front camera, ensuring clarity during daytime drives. This is particularly useful when sunlight or street lights reflect off the windshield, making the video clearer for incident reviews. Additional features. The dashcam includes loop recording, built-in Wi-Fi for easy access to footage on mobile devices, and a maximum external memory support of up to 256 GB, ensuring ample storage. However, it's worth noting that this camera lacks a battery, relying instead on a capacitor, which can be more stable in extreme temperatures. In conclusion, the TS Fong i5S 3-channel dashcam provides a comprehensive feature set suitable for anyone needing detailed, high-quality video documentation of driving or parked vehicle events. Its multi-channel setup, strong night vision, and GPS integration make it a compelling option, especially for users who prioritize thorough in-car security. CarPlay. The CarPlay 3-channel dashcam is a versatile dash camera option, ideal for those looking to monitor both the interior and exterior of their vehicles. This model features a tri-channel system that records in 2K resolution on the front camera and 1080 pixels on both the rear and cabin cameras, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Each camera covers a wide field of view, with a front camera capturing up to 170 degrees, the rear at 150 degrees, and the interior at 140 degrees. This setup provides nearly 360 degrees coverage, which is excellent for rideshare drivers and individuals wanting all-around video protection. A standout feature of the CarPlay dashcam is its infrared night vision, which utilizes infrared LEDs to enhance cabin footage at night, making it effective for monitoring passengers and capturing clear nighttime images. The camera also includes GPS for tracking location and speed, and Wi-Fi connectivity that allows users to transfer footage to their smartphones easily using a dedicated app. This connectivity is helpful for quickly sharing videos or storing them on cloud services, as some users have noted. The dashcam also supports a 24-hour parking mode, which activates upon detecting motion or impact while the vehicle is parked. However, to fully use this feature, the camera must be hardwired to the car's battery. This setup provides reliable surveillance even when the engine is off, which is ideal for added security in high-risk parking areas. Despite its many advantages, some users reported that setting up the camera and using the app can be initially tricky, particularly for those less familiar with app-connected devices. Additionally, while the camera's video quality is generally solid during both day and night, the front camera's 2K resolution may not fully capture smaller details, such as distant license plates, as clearly as higher-resolution dashcams. Overall, the CarPlay 3-channel dashcam is a reliable and feature-rich option for comprehensive vehicle monitoring, especially beneficial for rideshare drivers or those seeking all-around surveillance with night vision and GPS capabilities. Van True. The Vantru N4 3-channel 4K dashcam is designed to offer comprehensive coverage for front, rear, and cabin views, making it especially suitable for rideshare drivers or those seeking 360-degree video recording. The device's main camera records in 1440 pixels, while the rear and cabin cameras capture 1080p video, providing balanced detail across all angles, even in lower light situations. Each camera covers a wide field of view, 155 degrees for the front, 160 degrees for the rear, and 165 degrees inside the cabin, ensuring minimal blind spots. In addition to high-resolution video, the N4 is equipped with infrared night vision for the cabin camera, allowing clear footage of the vehicle's interior even in total darkness. This feature is highly beneficial for Uber and Lyft drivers who may need nighttime in-cabin recording for security reasons. The camera also includes a G-sensor for impact detection, which locks and saves footage upon collision, preventing accidental overwrites during loop recording. For parking, an optional hardwire kit enables 24-hour monitoring, activating recording if motion is detected around the car, a useful deterrent for potential break-ins. However, some limitations are worth noting. The N4 lacks built-in Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, meaning you'll need to manually transfer footage by removing the SD card. Also, while it supports GPS tracking for route data, the GPS functionality requires an additional GPS mount, which comes as a separate purchase. These missing features, especially Wi-Fi, are becoming more common at this price range, making the N4 less competitive in connectivity options compared to other premium dashcams. Overall, the Vantru N4 is a solid choice for anyone who needs reliable multi-channel recording and values image quality and nighttime clarity. While it's on the pricier side, it's well regarded for its durability and wide coverage, making it a good investment for those prioritizing security and complete coverage around the vehicle. Fondim. The Fondim 3-channel dashcam offers a solid package with its 4K front, 1080 pixels rear, and 1080 pixels interior cameras, making it a strong choice for drivers seeking a comprehensive in-car security solution. This setup includes a 170 degrees wide-angle front lens, a 140 degrees interior lens, and a 140 degrees rear lens to cover a full 360 degrees view around the car, ideal for capturing road and in-cabin activity. Each channel records simultaneously, delivering high-quality footage to support driver safety and record vital evidence if needed. One of the standout features is its IR night vision, which uses infrared LEDs to capture clear video even in low-light conditions, particularly useful for rideshare drivers. The camera's Sony Starvis sensors enhance low-light performance, providing sharper details at night. This dashcam also has a reliable 24-hour parking monitor that automatically activates upon detecting any unusual movement or impact. This feature requires a continuous power source, so hardwiring may be necessary to take full advantage of this capability. The GPS functionality is another significant benefit, allowing the camera to log speed and location data for each video, which can be essential for evidence and accident investigations. The device also supports loop recording, automatically overwriting older files to ensure continuous recording without storage issues. While the Fondim A99WB has many useful features, some users report that its user interface and mobile app can be a bit challenging to navigate. The setup process for new users can feel complex, and some have found the app less intuitive compared to other brands. This dashcam is a great option for users looking for enhanced security and night vision without needing a professional-grade device. ASDOME. The ASDOME M553 channel dashcam is a feature-packed option that offers robust video coverage, recording in 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for both the interior and rear views. This three-way recording setup is ideal for drivers who want extensive video coverage, capturing front, cabin, and rear views simultaneously. One of the highlights of the M550 is its built-in GPS and Wi-Fi capabilities, which allow you to track location, speed, and travel routes, while Wi-Fi makes video transfers and settings adjustments easy through the ASDOME app. The ASDOME M550 uses IR night vision technology to ensure visibility even in the dark. However, you shouldn't expect it to rival dedicated night vision systems. While the IR LEDs do a good job of illuminating the area in front of the camera, they may struggle to penetrate dense fog or heavy rain. For parking security, the M550 offers a 24-hour parking monitor, which activates upon detecting motion or impact, although a hardwiring kit is required to keep the camera active when the car is off. This feature helps ensure protection against theft or vandalism, a valuable addition for users who leave their cars unattended frequently. Users generally find the M550's design solid and user-friendly, though it's a bit bulky for those who prefer more discreet setups. The app, while functional, could use refinement for smoother usage. The supercapacitor power system enhances its durability in extreme temperatures, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, a benefit over lithium-ion-based dashcams in harsh weather. Overall, the ASDOM M550 is a solid choice if you're looking for a triple-channel dashcam with strong video quality, useful GPS and Wi-Fi features, and reliable parking monitoring, though its night vision and app usability could be improved.
Yeah.